Okay, anyway, when I first came here in Canada, I'm not a PSW. As I said, I was finished in university in the Philippines, a teacher. But anyway, when I met Feli, she's the first Filipina I met here. And now 21 years ago, 20 years now, and here we are.
We're still
and
friends and
still
counting.
friend. And then I'm looking after. I'm a caregiver at that time. So, I live in, I don't have enough food. Feli is the best Filipina I've ever known when I'm until now still. That encouraged me. So, what is it called that? As I said, I'm a caregiver at that time. And then, as a full-time caregiver, live-in. And then seems like the person that I'm looking after, she's a very, very nice person. That encouraged me when I'm thinking, why not to enroll a PSW? Honestly, I'm working, even I'm on duty 24 hours when they need me. But what I did, I enrolled like online class. That's how I get I work online class. I work online class, and then until I got my certificate, and then
Practicum.
yeah, my practicum actually, the school that I took, if you have like experience like caregiving at the time, they will accept that as your
Practicum.
yeah, and then
But you have to work in the facilities as
Yeah.
well.
So,
It has to be
remember
good.
that you asked me to go to that
Nursing home. Yes, that's
a
right.
volunteer?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. That's crazy. That. But anyway, that's when I start being a PSW, and I'm going to tell you, being a PSW, you have to give your heart compassion. You have to love what you're doing, and you will enjoy it, because you know what? If you enjoy your job, the people you work with, they will enjoy your
Present.
services or the care you're giving it to them. You're gonna be a good friend, the whole family. That's how so to kasla nakita, how to call that in English.
That's how you see
To be a PSW. If you really give your heart as a PSW, you be a whole family,
Very
your
lovely.
client, and I'm going to tell you, you will enjoy every single day. Just love what you're doing and enjoy it. PSW, caring people. You care people who needs care. That's what we need, especially Filipina. I heard this from a nurse, a nurse that came to my client. We're talking about, and she said, oh, I heard Filipina are the best caregiver. Right? There you go.
100%.
Let's be everybody. Oh, what do you call that? I encourage everybody. PSW, that's what we need here in Canada.
It's your job.
It's your job.